Ready to cook up some great listening and talking for your little one? I've got just the recipe for you. With listening and spoken language, or LSL strategies, you can teach your child with hearing loss to listen and talk. In this video, we'll show you how something like a family recipe and time together in the kitchen can create infinite listening and talking moments with your little one. As a speech-language pathologist for over 40 years, I've seen what's possible for little ones with hearing loss who follow the science-backed and research-based listening and spoken language, or LSL path. That means early identification, appropriately fitted hearing devices, and early intervention focused on teaching parents LSL strategies and techniques. I've met many families of children with hearing loss and supported them on this path, watching as their children learn to listen, talk, read, and thrive. Cooking isn't just about making food. It's about learning new words, following directions, and having fun together. Here are the LSL strategies I love to see families use at home and in the kitchen with their child. These examples will describe how you'd use these strategies with a young preschool-age child. If your child is older or younger, talk with your interventionist and they can help you practice these strategies in a way that supports your child's age and where they are developmentally. First, hear it before they see it. When you use this strategy, you'll make ear contact before eye contact. Say the name of each ingredient before you bring it out. Oh, let's bring out our bag of flour and our measuring cups, and then pull them out. We need some chocolate chips. Yum, and then pull those out as well. Play by play. Describe everything you're doing in the kitchen. This helps your child put words and language to what's happening around them. It's also a fantastic way to build their vocabulary. Let's pour the cup of chocolate chips into the bowl. Let's pour it in. Yeah. Next, let's add 2 cups of flour. 1 cup, 2 cups. It's your turn. Create a back and forth conversation as you narrate what's happening. Okay, we've poured in the chocolate chips. What comes next? Pause and wait for your child to reply. You can also ask them questions. What's your favorite part of cooking? Do you like stirring or pouring? Keep them on their toes. Ask them to stir the bowl, but don't give them a spoon. Why? Well, with a little bit of sabotage, you're creating small problems that will inspire them to communicate. They'll have to ask you for a spoon. Oh, you need a spoon to stir. Of course, silly me. I didn't give you a spoon. Here's a spoon. These are just some examples of how you can turn cooking into LSL learning moments. Talk with your early interventionist about your family's routine in the kitchen and what mealtime looks like. They will help you practice the strategies you can include. For example, are Sunday night dinners a big weekly tradition for your family? Or maybe it's a Saturday breakfast you always make, or Friday nights for making tacos. Whatever your family's traditions are around food and the kitchen, LSL creates opportunities for your child to be a part of those memories in the making. Who knows? Not only will your child be a great listener and conversationalist, but maybe they will be the future star of Top Chef or the Great British Bake Off. No matter what their future holds, I'll be rooting for them. Subscribe to the Hearing First YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this one.